Assalamualaikum students, hope you are doing great. Another video on exercise 5C. Today we are going to do question number 12 of this exercise. The question says that June V has 12 more 10-cent coins than 20-cent coins. The total value of all his coins is $5.40. Find the total number of coins he has. Okay, basically there is a boy who is having coins with him, 10-cent coins and 20-cent coins. And the total amount or the total cost that is in his hand is $5.40. This is the total amount in form of coins that he is carrying. Now, what actually we need? We need to calculate or we need to find out what are the exactly total number of coins that he has. What are the total 10-cent and 20-cent coins, total coins then that he is having? Okay, so for this, first of all, if we are talking about cents, then the information that is required over here is that the conversion of dollars into cent. The very first thing is that the money that is given to you is in the form of cent, sorry, dollar. Look at this. The total amount is $5.40, whereas the coins are in the form of cents. So it is better to convert this amount in form of cent. The dollar needs to be converted into cent, the very first thing in order to solve this problem. So if I talk about the comparison, then $1 basically equals to 100 cents. So if I talk about $5.40, then it must be 5.40 multiplied by 100 cents. So if I multiply it, I'll get 540 cents. So these are the total cents that he is having, total amount. Now what we need to do, first of all, we must assume the coins, the quantity of the coins. Let's suppose these are my two coins. This is my coin and this is another coin. This coin is worth 10 cents and this coin worth 20 cents. And we know that 10 cents are 12 more than 20 cents. So let's assume that if the quantity of 20-cent coin that he has is X, let's suppose he is having X 20-cent coins. Then we know that according to the question that is given to you, you are having 12 more 10-cent coins than 20-cent coins. So if the quantity of 20-cent coins is X, then it must be 12 more than X. So in other words, I can write that 20-cent coins are basically X plus 20. X are basically the number of coins, that exactly 20-cent coins that he is having, and I am going to add 12 into it so that I can have total coins that are 10 cents. Now, if I got the quantity, now I need to have the cost, total cost in form of cents. Let's suppose I'm doing it individually for 10 cents and 20 cents. What you need to do to find out the total cost of 10-cent coins, you need to multiply the cost of one coin or the price or the worth of one coin. The one coin worth 10 cents. You need to multiply it with quantity so that you can have the total cost or total amount of 10-cent coins. What is the total worth of 10-cent coins he is having? So cost of one coin, if I talk about 10 cents is 10, and if I multiply it with the quantity, that is X plus 12. So what I'm going to have, I'm going to have the total cost of, total amount or total cost I can say of 10-cent coins. In the same way, if I talk about 20-cent coins, then total cost of 20-cent coins or total amount that he is having of 20-cent coins. If I need to find out the total amount, I need to multiply cost of one coin with the quantity. The same formula. Cost of one coin, 1 20-cent coin worth 20 cents. And I need to multiply it with the quantity that is x. We are going to have 20x. This is actually the total amount of 20-cent coins he's having, 20x. Now, what you need to do, you have to add both the quantities. We need to add this and this in order to have the total amount of all the coins he is having. Either it is 10-cent coins, either it is 20-cent coins. If I need to have the total amount that he is having in form of coins, that I need to add these two values or add these two expressions that I have find out. So it is basically total amount of 10-cent coins plus total amount of 20-cent coins is equal to what? This is equal to the total amount that is given to us. We know that the boy is having 540 cents. The total cost, total value of all the coins that he is having is 540 cents. So we can equate this particular sum with 540 cents. We can equate like this. And now we will write individually. Total amount of 10-cent coins is 10 into x plus 12. Then add it with 20-cent coins. That is 20 multiplied by x equals to 540 cents. Now we are supposed to solve this equation and find out the value of x. This is 10x plus 120 plus 20x equals to 540. Now 10 and 20 will be added. It becomes 30x and 120 will be moved to the other side. Now 540 minus 120 gives us 420. And this is 30x. If I divide 30 by 420, I'll be getting 14. So x is basically equals to the unknown value is equal to 14. Now let's calculate the total number of coins that he is having. Total quantity. Total number or quantity of coins equals to quantity of 10-cent coins plus quantity of 20-cent coins. Let's add up both the quantities of 10-cent and 20-cent coins. We assumed that the quantity of 10-cent coins was x plus 12. And we assume that the quantity of 20-cent coins is x. So what we are supposed to do now, we need to put the value of x that we have calculated over here, 14, in this particular expression. 14 plus 12 plus 14, this gives me 14 and 14, 28, 28 plus 12. This is collectively 40 coins. This is the total quantity of coins that he is having, 40 coins. This is going to be your answer. Why? Because if I go to the answer above, then actually you need to find out the total number of coins. Here, look at this. You must have to find out the total number of coins that he is having. So in this way, we have find out that the total number of coins that he is having is 40 coins. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful to you. Stay tuned, stay connected for more such videos. Take care.